Hey, hello, we know what variable is and how to assign a totally new value to it, but there is something more I would like you to know, and this is how to increase or decrease the value of the variable. So let's say we've got a health points and somebody just hit us, so we need to deduct some number of health based on what value there was before. Or for example, if we get some point, we need to increase the value by 1, but we need to know how many points we had before so we can adjust it. And how can we do that? We can do that by incrementing this value. Let's say we will have some points. So I will create integer points variable, and when we start the game, we had 0 points. So now let's say in the start method, we will increase this value. We can call our variable points, and now we'll assign the same value of this variable but increased by 1. This is the longest form of increment, but I hope you will understand how it works. So we take the amount of points, increase it by 1, and then the whole number assigned back to the points. But of course this is the longest form, and we actually never use it. There is shorter way to write it. So now I will show you the shorter version, which is points plus equal 1. So this line of code is exactly the same as this one, but it's shorter, and this is more common than this one. If we increase or decrease by 1, we even have a shorter form, which will be points plus plus. It means that we increase this variable by 1. And of course the same is when we decrease the value. We can just put points minus minus. And the same if we want to decrease the value by number different than 1, then we would have to use points minus equals, let's say 3. Remember that this shortest form only works when we increase or decrease by 1. In any other situation, we will use this form. So in this case, we will decrease by 3. In this case, for example, we will change it and we will increase number of points by 2. So this is increment and decrement operator that we will use quite often in our projects. Let's say that we want to increase our points by 1 in each frame. So we will go to the update method, and now we will use points plus plus, and now we can debug it. So debug.log, and inside we will put our points. So let's go back to the Unity, open console window. In each frame you can see that our numbers are increasing, and we got about 2800 points in few seconds.